Continue number 11. One who passes gas is prohibited from engaging in a sacred manner until the odor dissipates. So that's a big problem, especially we're going to learn Beezrat HaShem with tefillin. That's a big offense, to pass gas when somebody is wearing tefillin. So continue. If his fellow passes gas, so we're talking about the shul, right? He must likewise wait for order to dissipate, or he can move away, as is understandable, except when he is engaged in Torah study, in which case he is not required to wait until order of the gas passed by his fellow to dissipate. So why that, right? So for prayers not allowed, for Torah study there is no problem. What is the difference? Number 47. The prohibition in engaging in sacred matters, when there is a full order that has no tangible source, is a rabbinic nature. So meaning, so when excrement there is a tangible source, right? But when somebody pass gas, so there is no tangible source. There is no source. I mean, it's just air. The sages did not extend, so it's a rabbinical. There it's biblical, he's rabbinical. The sages did not extend their decree to the cases that would cause the disruption of the Torah study. Mishnah Brura 79 Torah. So from here we see, like a side note, how important the Torah study is. Okay, so he closed his nose and he can continue, basically. With regard to the recitation of the Shema, however, he must distance himself from the order. Shulchan Aruch 79:9, Mishnah Brura 79:32. Okay. So it's very important not to interrupt the Torah study.